You took Humanities considering that it is only memorization and it will be an easy stream. But once you start your 11th, you will soon realize that political science, history and geography are more than just memorizing. It requires clear analysis of the situation and topic. Hello everyone and welcome to this series called Future Starts Now. In this series, we are making videos for your roadmap 10th to future. In this video, we are going to see what you should expect if you have taken arts or humanities in your 11th and 12th. What are the most difficult chapters in these subjects, how you should prepare them, and what you should be doing exactly in these holidays to master this stream. Let us start by understanding the reality of the humanities stream. The art stream focuses more on understanding concepts, analyzing the events, and writing structured answers. Students who practice writing regularly can score really well in this stream. As we've discussed early, if you have great writing skill and ability, this stream is for you. And writing good answers, structured answers, forming an opinion, doing it with great analysis is what is your A card in this stream. Let us look at the most difficult chapters in each subject and see how you can prepare them in this stream. Starting with history. History can feel very taxing and difficult because of large content and lot to remember, especially things like Indian national movement and modern world history. So remember to make notes and summaries and timelines which can help you remember these events much better. Focus on key events and what caused it and make it appear like science so that you can build a logic around it and analyze it better. In political science, understanding the concepts is the key. Topics like constitution and democracy, political ideologies can feel a little hard. Understand the concepts instead of memorizing the paragraphs and relate it to a real life event to understand things better. Watching the news, keeping you in the up game of current affairs can make you understand these concepts much better. Can make geography, the map work, and physical geography feels much harder and difficult to retain. Practice maps regularly. Use diagrams and charts which can help you prepare this much better. Let us see how you can use holidays to effectively prepare for this stream. Revise important historical concepts. Practice answer writing skills, public speaking skills, and ability to form an analysis or an opinion on an event or topic. Improve your map skills by daily figuring out how you should answer it accurately. Every day, a 1 to 2 hour preparation can keep you much ahead of the game in this stream. Ultimately, to succeed in humanities, the goal here is to practice daily. Concept understanding and understanding how to write an answer helps you much better in this stream. Like this video if this has helped you. Subscribe to the channel. Share it with your other friends who have chosen the art stream. Comment below on what subject of arts is troubling you the most. Until then, this is Gayatri signing off. See you in the next one.